Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. Where is she? Oh, she's over there. Hi.
I'm building, ladies. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Greenie.
How did you guys sleep?
Not too bad. I was a bit worried about that base, though.
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm working on it right now.
I think today we'll be needing a lot of resources to improve the base and just make sure that we're okay tonight.
Yes, totally agree with that.
Okay, so do we have plans on who's doing what? We do have plenty of food. I remember making some before I went to sleep last night.
That's good, that's good. I'm upgrading a little bit here, ladies, and I'm probably going to go for a little bit more resources after. What I'm thinking.
Yeah, Greenie?
And maybe you guys can go out back to the city we came from last time.
The one in the burnt area?
In the wastelands, yes.
Okay. What do we need from there?
All kinds of weapons, ammo, all that good kind of shit.
There was a shotgun Messiah there, Doc. Do you want to hit that one?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it early on, and then we might have time to get to the trader before he closes today as well.
I think we have lots of things to sell to the trader.
Okay, well let's load them into the car, and then if we get time, we can drop them off. Look at the state of that wall over there. It took a right beating yesterday.
It did, indeed. That's why I upgraded it. I made it double thick.
No, this one down here where the trash can was.
Oh, yes, that one did. That one did. But it gives us a clear run, too. So that's good. Which, there's some iron here. Might as well grab that.
How's your leg, Doc?
It's fine, it's mended, so I'm fine. We got loads of stuff in the car, so yeah, we should stop by a trader.
I'll load some stuff in a sec as well. I've got some with me, and grab some food. We've got plenty of bacon and eggs, and we've got some stew made. Yes.
If you guys are going to the trader, can you guys check if the trader has some steel or forged steel or concrete for cheap?
Okay.
And there's two more things one more thing that you can sell here in this box, unless you want to keep it.
What was it?
Must look a pickaxe.
Oh, I was leaving that there in case I go down the mine. I can take it with me because I've got an iron pickaxe as well. But it's always handy to have a spare if we go in mining, right?
Very true.
Who's driving, Doc?
Go ahead. I like the way you're driving.
Drive like a maniac.
Says no one ever.
Well, Doc likes it.
Well, I do like it. It's a lot of fun.
That's true.
Okay, so it's over there. We are here.
We'll try not to die too quickly.
You guys got this.
She says driving into a bloody thing. We may have a problem. I did it.
I saw that. Yep. There's a hole there. Be careful.
I'm trying to skip around it. I failed. Holy crap. That's definitely Doc.
What?
I saw the electric going off.
Yeah. I saw a lady. She was after me, so.
Fair enough.
Okay. And you got the chicken.
Little shit. let me in the car, you silly thing. Right, the trader is there on the way back, right? Let's turn around.
Thank God, a customer. I thought you might be one of the dead.
Here we go, we're heading back home.
Whee! As fast as we can.
Come on, come on. Okay.
I've put you lots of stuff in the forge box.
Okay.
We'll worry about the car afterwards, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you need us to bring you, Grinny?
Steel if you got it. Concrete.
Right, let's have a look.
If you have like the cement, queue it up in the. Oh wait, I have the sand and shit on me. Yeah, just put the cement in the cement mixer.
I've got some cement in the car, so let me grab it.
Oh, I'll grab it. I'm right here.
Okay. There's a load of stuff in the car, but you know.
Yes.
Very successful mission.
Yes. Okay. That way I can queue up the cement. Okay, let me see.
God, it's good to move without having a broken leg.
I'm not sure if I don't need some forge steel for the blade trap to repair it.
What?
Yeah, I won't be able to repair the blade trap, but we'll see.
Well, we've got a little time. Is there any making?
There's still some crafting.
Yeah, I'll see if there's any made, and I'll grab any more concrete that's done as well.
Mm-hmm. I got 10 on me still. I won't use it. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. That one. You can at least repair it. Here you go, Clem.
Right. Forge.
There you go.
That's cement. That's not. I've got nine forged steel on me.
Nana, can you grab some electrical parts on the way?
Sure.
Okay, here's forged iron in there.
Mechanical and electrical parts.
Mechanical parts I've got, electrical parts are they in the car? Wait, got him. Sorry, I was looking for the wrong thing.
Hurry up, Mama.
I'm running, I've got one pair of legs, people!
You oh, I thought I saw someone and it's the fucking turret.
Running the traps on.
Yes. Good.
Your steel, your cement, your parts are all in the box.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Wait, where?
In this box here.
Thank you. I grabbed the cement.
Put
the steel is for you.
Over here, it's only for building materials and stuff like that. And the other one, it's more like
I'll move him
and stuff like that.
I'm upgrading right here because, oh god. Whoa, that's loud.
They are in the right box, okay? Let's go. I'll stand here, so I'll try and lower him over to this bit, right?
Yeah. Oh. Skull crushers. Let me try and get through that wall now, huh?
How did you miss the blip? Yes, that one didn't miss it.
Oh my god, we got yellow eyes, right?
I'm coming with you.
Oh, you guys! Adgers! You fucking dipshits, come here.
What the
That's
hell are
right.
they doing in our base?
I have no idea. They're Adgers, I mean, you know, they're not that bright.
Woo! I'm now
Yes.
level 42 and I'm 9 skill points to spend.
Oh! I nearly ran. Can you turn the blade trap off? I almost ran in face first. Nobody move. I could probably hold up. First things first. Don't leave. I got stuff for you.
I'm standing right behind you.
I'm on the roof.
Here for one of you.
I'll grab that, thank you.
And then here's for Cruellas.
Okay.
Where the heck are you?
Down
Okay,
on the floor,
downstairs.
darling.
I'm coming.
Here's for Mama.
Yes, thank you. I just picked up your axe. Corrales, I'll give it you now.
I'm here.
Where did I put my...
There you go, love.